What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a clean with me and decorate with me video. I'm super excited about this video. There's a couple reasons why. I am collabing with my friend from the Six Silvas. We have collabed before. She is an awesome mama here on YouTube. She does a lot of cleaning videos. She does like tips and hacks and all of that good stuff. Make sure you guys check out her video after you watch my video. I will have her links down below in the description box. Another reason I'm super excited is because if you were a close friend of mine, you know that I wasn't really planning on decorating for spring. It's not something I usually do. I usually just go from like holiday, Christmas decorations, throw those out or put those away, and then just have my regular decor. But because you guys inspire me so much, and I've seen all of your guys' pretty homes and Instagram photos and videos and all of that stuff, I went ahead and got inspired and decided to go pick up some spring decor, a little bit of Easter, a little bit of spring, and decorate my home. If you guys are over here from her channel, please go ahead and consider checking out some of my videos down below in my description box. Those I put those down there so you can kind of see what kind of content I offer and if you like my channel. If you do, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, join my family here on YouTube. Everyone else, you guys already know the routine. Make sure you guys say hi down below in the comments. Without further ado, we're gonna jump right into this video. So we are gonna clean it and then we are gonna decorate it, and I'm so excited, yay! So let's go ahead and get right into the video. First thing I'm gonna do is just start off by cleaning off my kitchen table, just picking everything up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and disinfect with these 7th generation wipes. I just like to do this every once in a while just to get my table disinfected. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Method wood cleaner. I really like this stuff. This is something I always use and clean my coffee tables, nightstands, all of that stuff. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the dishes. I did get this water stopper from Grove Collaborative. A lot of my products that I use, actually 90% of my products I use, are from Grove Collaborative, which is a website that carries all natural, non-toxic products. So any kind of cleaning tools or cleaning products that you need, they have. So I always have a link down in my description box down below where you can actually sign up with them, and you can get like a free sponge, or you can get like a $20 worth of product if you spend a certain amount with them. So go ahead and check that link out and see what deals there are. What I like to do is fill up the side of my sink with water and kind of let all of my dishes soak in there. So I do load up my dishwasher, and then if there's not enough room, I will just hand wash my dishes and put them on the side here. So I also like to hand wash certain dishes. I'm really weird like that, like some pots and pans and certain cups. Like, I don't know. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just end up hand washing certain things, and then the other stuff go in the dishwasher. So now we're going to go ahead and just kind of clear off the counters. I'm going to take out the fruit, the produce from my bag here, put it in my little fruit basket, and then just put things away. This is my multi-surface cleaner by Mrs. Meyer's. It's in the scent mint. It smells amazing. It is my favorite cleaner right now. And that is what I'm going to go ahead and clean off my counters with. So then right here is Ava's bathing suit. She just got it from her cousin. It's a Juicy Couture. It's so cute. And this is my Shakeology. I like to show you guys everything I use. That's my Shakeology. It's my meal replacement that I use every single day, and it's been helping with my weight loss. So now we're just going to go ahead and clean my little coffee station area. That is just kind of always the catch-all place. And now we are going to clean Remy's area. This is my lab's little cupboard, and this is where we keep all of his stuff, even his little body spray. But we got like food, snacks, treats, shampoos, all of that stuff in there.
The basic idea is that there's a groove that I can follow that's exactly right for exactly right for
Sometimes when I try to reason, you don't seem to listen at all. I don't know if it's just a feeling, or if we are about to fall. Yeah, come on.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and just clean off my pantry door just because we open this door on a daily, multiple times a day, and it needed a good wipe down.
If we stay here longer.
So now we're going to go ahead and just do a quick sweep. We are going to just quickly sweep the kitchen area, dining room area where we eat. So now we're going to go ahead and use my Weiman stainless steel wipes and clean off the stainless steel in the kitchen. I really do like these wipes now. You just want to make sure that after you use the wipes, you actually go in with a paper towel and kind of clean up the leftover residue, and it really just shines it out. So I love them now. And that's my happy dance because it makes me happy when they're shiny and clean. And I am going to use the glass cleaner from a company called Clean Packs. I talk about it in every video, but I really, really love their glass cleaner. And they are actually another non-toxic household product company. And I really, really like the glass cleaner. It beats all of them. And I have multiple kinds. So I am using that just to clean my entertainment center.
I've got this feeling. I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason.
So this is actually my little gym workout area. This is where I do all of my Beachbody program workouts right from my laptop in this room. So I do film my workouts and post them on Instagram, on my Insta stories almost every day of the week, at least 5 or 6 days out of the week. So if you ever want to watch those, just go ahead and follow me on Instagram so you don't miss out if you need some extra motivation or anything. And here are all the spring decor we are going to set up and place around the house just to give some little touches of like pastel colors and some fresh spring looks, some bunnies, things like that. So right here, I kind of had a little bit of issues like figuring out what I was going to do. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this area. I can definitely change it around. I think it's pretty, but it's not like my favorite. I'm still like, what am I missing in that section? So here I am adding some eggs. I did get these from Target. I believe the dollar spot in Target. And so I just put them around the flowers in my little dish here.
I'm looking in your eyes. Wish you could see the things I see.
And then I did get this bunny pillow from Target also. I will try and have the links down below. And then we placed a little bunny stuffed animal right here. It was just perfect. So now I went ahead and moved my vase over by the dishes, which I keep it there often too. It like goes back and forth between the table and the counter. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch out my cotton there and then put in these spring flowers.
Baby, without you, I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
And I had some extra flowers I went ahead and just threw in my big mason jar there. So then the last piece of decor that I have for you guys are these flowers that I actually picked out from Michael's, and I bought them individually. They were half off, and then I got this little vase, this wood vase from Michael's also. So they have a nice selection there. But that is all I have for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and to check out the 6 Silvas video right after mine.